raise your hand if you would like to get more direct clients. Surprise! I did a survey last year among my followers or my subscribers to see what they were struggling with the most, finding time to market, finding direct clients, time management, other things. And this was what they were struggling with the most. I'm not going to give you a magic pill today that you can just, this is how you do it, and you go out and you, next time we see each other, you will have 100 direct clients. But what I will try to do is to give you a system to go about it to get more direct clients. First, we're going to find out exactly who your ideal clients is. Then we're going to find out exactly what your ideal clients need and how you can help them, where we're going to go out and find these clients, and how we're going to market to them.